Welcome all. Let me introduce you to the course. We call it Computer Organization and Microprocessor. Basically, here you have to learn about the fundamentals of microprocessor, instruction set and programming, and computer organization. So basically, what you are going to see in this whole course is about the computer organization, how the computer system works, what are the architecture, how 8-bit microcontroller or microprocessor would look, how instruction is actually represented in a particular computer. After that, you will also learn how to evaluate the performance. For learning performance, that means what will be the computer CPU time, and at the same time how one processor can be considered as faster than another, and what can be the speed up, and these kind of things. You will also learn about how different kind of computers or architectures can be. You will see the RISC and CISC architecture. Along with that, you will also learn about instruction set, how the instructions are represented. Maybe you will see there can be data manipulation instruction, you will see data transfer instruction, as well as you will see transfer of control instruction. Different kind of instructions are possible. Along with that, you will see how we can program in using these instructions. Basically, for this you will see assembly language programming, and you will also see different kind of possible other things we have to read. Maybe what are the sub programs, how they are stored in the memory, what is the memory architecture. Memory will actually, whether we are using single memory architecture or multi memory architecture, what happens in 8085 or 8086 this microcontrollers, what are different kind of registers. Maybe they are general purpose registers or some special purpose registers, or different kind of how they are related to, how they are associated with different kind of memory locations and instruction sets. How there are different kind of communication channels. You would have heard about address bus, data bus, control lines. These are the things that you will going to see in this course. Along with that, you will also see the roles of different parts of a computer, a processor. Maybe they can be ALU or other related processing elements. What are, how instruction, what is the life cycle of instruction, how from start to end, how instruction is executed, how it is phased, decoded and executed, these kind of things, and how other registers are related to it. You will also learn about the high performance architectures. Basically, along with that, you will also learn about the addressing modes. Addressing modes may be direct, indirect, and how they are actually addressing modes. So different kind of such things you will learn. And after that, you will also learn about high performance architectures, basically about the pipelining, basically. You will also learn different kind of architecture possible based on instruction stream and data stream. This can be SIST, SIMD, it can be MIST and MIMD. So you will see these possible architectures. Along with that, you will also see some other related informations of dependencies, how instructions are dependent on each other. You will also see how the instruction can be scheduled. You will see the information related to flags, what flags are there with your processors and how for what they are responsible, how their values change on what kind of things. Actually, when you will learn about memory organization, in this memory organization you will also learn about how there is a relation between means from CPU, how registers are there, how after registers the RAM can be there, or in between cache memory can be there, after cache RAM is there, and from RAM secondary memory can also be there. So you will get to see here in memory organization how we store in cache, how this cache memory is used. So basically you can understand between CPU and RAM this cache memory is in between. So you get to learn how cache memory can be used. There can be certain conflicts sometimes, how they are resolved, how if you have to replace the existing data from the cache memory, what are the policies you should use to replace this data from the cache. Along with that you will also learn several other related things, and another important thing that you may learn is about the control unit. In this control unit, actually how it is organized means basically how the signals are generated by the control unit to the processors. Different kind of micro instructions can be, micro signals I should say, are generated, and for this micro programs can be written, how it is related to this, and also what pin certain pins are enabled or disabled based on this particular micro instructions. For implementation you can see, we will see actually it will be hardwired or microprogrammed, so these possible things we are going to see. It may be some more related things as and when time is possible. So these are certain things we are going to see in this course, and from next video we will start the basics of computer organization, basics of computer itself, that how particular what a computer system does. It takes input, produces output under the control of some program. So how it actually starts working, and then slowly we will start learning about instruction, and then we will evaluate the performance, and accordingly we will start learning about instruction and how what can be the architecture of these things. So let us see in next video. For now, thank you.